Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can reset and repair the Microsoft Edge. So we will be doing that in the Edge browser. So we will be opening first the Microsoft Edge browser here. And then once you have already opened the Edge browser, all you need to do is just to go to this three dot icon that you will be seeing here in the very top right corner. So please click on that, and then please go to the settings option. So if you scroll down and you reach the bottom, you will see the settings option here at the bottom part. And then once you click on the settings option, you will be able to see here the reset settings here in the left pane. So we will look for reset settings, this one. Once you click on that, you will get this restore settings to the default values option. So please click on that. And then once you click on that, you will see this window coming up. Reset settings. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites, history, and save passwords will not be cleared. So just please click on reset. Once you do that, you will do this action, or this action will be done. And after doing this one, just close this window as well as this window, and we will go to the run option. So we can do that by simply pressing the Windows R key all together, and you will see this run window coming up. So all we need to do here is just to type upwiz.cpl. Now once you're done typing this one, all you need to do is just to click on OK or enter. And once you have done that, just look for the Microsoft Edge. So again, look for Microsoft Edge option. So we will just look for Microsoft Edge. Okay, so you can also search it in here. If you type Microsoft, so it will be filtered. So Microsoft. So here, I have found it, Microsoft Edge. So if you found this Microsoft Edge option here, just make a right click. If you see the change option, this one, change, please click on that, and then you will see this user account control window coming up. All you need to do is just to click on yes to proceed. And then once you do that, you will see this window coming up. All you need to do is just to click this repair button. So repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection. Make sure that you have internet access, and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't be affected. So once you click on repair, this action will be done. And then you have now reset and repaired your Microsoft Edge browser. And just make a quick restart, open your Microsoft Edge, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.